In this video, I'm going to review installation of Anaconda. So you first open a browser, and on your browser you search for Anaconda, and you see the website. You can go, and once you open it, you should see the version that's compatible with your device. So first I'm going to go through Mac. So you click download. It might take a little bit. I have already downloaded the file, so I'm gonna just go open it from this. Okay, so you press allow. So you go through the installation. Press continue, agree. Not for trash. Okay, so once you do that, you should be able to see Anaconda installed on your machine. So I'm gonna look for it. I think it might be here. You find the application, you open it, and you should be able to see these windows. And from this, in this course, we're more likely work with Jupyter. So you click OK, the terminal should run, and you should be able to see these windows. If you can see these windows, that means that installation is correct. So in order to see how the window would look like, you find where you want to save the file. So let's say I want to save a file in this folder. So I'm looking for where I want to save a file, and you can press new and you create a new windows, and then here you can just say test, and this is what you should be able to see. So in order just to check if it's working okay, I'm just gonna say print hello world and just run it, and it looks like it's running properly.